Have you ever had a day where your brain just stopped working? Like, you're staring at your textbook, scrolling through Instagram, or trying to talk to someone, and suddenly you feel dumb, confused, slow? Yeah, same. But here's the scary part. Most of the time, it's not because you're not smart. It's because of tiny everyday habits that quietly lower your intelligence without you even noticing. Today, let's fix that. 1. You overload your brain the moment you wake up. Be honest. What's the first thing you touch every morning? Your phone. You open WhatsApp, then Instagram, then YouTube, then maybe a random meme page. Before your feet even touch the floor, your brain is hit with 1,000 different inputs. And then you wonder why you feel mentally exhausted by noon. A quick hack. Here's a tip. Give your brain 15 minutes of silence every morning. No phone. Just breathe. Let your mind warm up like a muscle. Mini cliffhanger. Because if you don't, the next habit hits even harder. 2. You multitask, and you think it's a flex. We all say it proudly. I'm studying and listening to music and texting my friend. But here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Multitasking lowers your IQ more than skipping a night of sleep. Your brain can only focus on one meaningful thing at a time. Everything else, fake productivity. If you feel like your memory is getting worse, or you read a page 3 times and still don't remember anything. This is why. A small fix. Use the one-tab rule. Only one task, one app, one goal at a time. 3. You're consuming way more than you're creating. Scrolling feels great. Content, dopamine. But you know what's crazy? Every time you only consume and never create, your brain loses its creative sharpness. It becomes passive, lazy, dependent. It's like eating junk food for your brain. If you want to feel smart again, create one thing daily, a paragraph, a note, a voice recording, a drawing, just something that forces your brain to think. 4. You skip deep conversations. This one hurts. Most of us spend hours online, but barely talk about anything real. We send emojis, short replies, LOL, bro. And that's it. Here's the problem. Your brain grows through meaningful conversations, not emojis. When you don't talk deeply, your emotional and logical intelligence drops. Try this. Ask a friend one real question this week. What's something you've been thinking a lot about? Watch how your brain wakes up. Mini cliffhanger, because the last one is the silent killer. 5. You let short-term comfort win every time. You know that moment when you're about to study and your brain whispers, 5 minutes of YouTube won't hurt, and suddenly it's 2 hours later? This habit destroys mental strength. When you always choose comfort, your discipline shrinks. When discipline shrinks, clarity, memory, and intelligence follow. You don't need to be perfect. Just win one battle a day. When your mind says, scroll, pause. Just 10 seconds. This tiny pause rebuilds your mental muscles. So let's recap. Your intelligence isn't dropping because you're not smart. It's because of simple habits. Morning brain overload. Multitasking. Consuming more than you create. No deep conversations. Choosing comfort over growth. Change even one of these, and you'll feel the difference in a week. Start tonight. Give yourself that 10-second pause. One deep conversation. One creation. One moment of silence. Your brain is ready. It's just waiting for you to take control again. Let's level up together. You got this.